AFAB Tool Limited was founded in 2010 initially as an agent of the famous Japanese CNC punching and bending tools as the main business, at the same time to provide processing solutions for sheet metal customers, factory management improvement solutions and other additional services. June of 2011 set up a manufacturing plant, a main production of CNC punching tools, which cover all tooling system, amada thick turret tooling, trumpf style tooling, Murata type tools, Strippit thin turret tooling, Savaganini punching tools, special bending tools and sheet metal machine parts. In 2024 AFAB moved to Tangsha Town, Dongguan City, China, expanding the factory area to nearly 4,000 square meters with 85 employees, 6 senior engineers, and nearly 2 times more production equipment. AFAB is equipped with more advanced metal processing equipment such as CNC lathes, drilling machines, surface grinders, universal grinders, centerless grinders, machining centers, wire cutting machines, EDM hole sinking machines, and so on, to ensure that we are able to provide quality tooling to meet the requirements of high precision and support fast delivery time by DHL, TNT, UPS, FedEx fast courier delivery. All products are backed by an industry-leading 100% satisfaction guarantee. Due to the company founders' long experience of working for and with Japanese companies, AFAB has integrated Japan's professional CNC tooling processing technology and sheet metal processing application technology to produce CNC punching tools with high precision and reliable quality, which are highly appreciated by the customers who use them. AFAB Tool Limited provides customers with professional products and actively shares its rich experience in the use of tooling management, and the use of skills, and continuously provides customers with high-quality technical training, production improvement services. We are committed to maximizing the efficiency of our customers' machine tools and tooling in order to achieve. In the process of development, we take customers as the center, constantly improve the quality of products, and strive to help customers achieve the goal of reducing their overall processing costs, improve competitiveness, and actively explore the market to provide you with better products and services for your business. AFAB products and services are available worldwide and are fully supported by more than 30 distributors in industrialized countries in Africa, Asia, Pacific, Europe, the Middle East, North and South America. AFAB Tool, an excellent sheet metal solution.